Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Reina Teas. Yes, honey, I am back for another one. Before we get started, y'all know the drill. Check the description box down below if you want to contact us for our services. We provide spiritual services, we provide spell work, we provide spell boxes, we provide readings, and much more. Please check the description. There's lots to read in the website, okay? And choose whatever is appropriate for your need. We do custom spell work and all kind of things. And we do consultations too, okay? Intuitive advice, life coaching, readings, everything. Okay, two witches on the line, two witches for spell work. Everything that is involved with Raina Teas involves the both of us, two witches. Okay. Now, let's move forward to the topic of this video, which is PSA to vegans. Plants are physical, spiritual beings with feelings and emotions. I have been wanting to talk about this for a while because, well, first of all, I don't know if it's vegans that are listening to this show, but if it is, don't get in your feelings. Don't get up in the comments, running your fucking mouth because you will be blocked. Okay. But why do vegans think that they're better than everybody because they're eating plants? Because you eat fruits and vegetables and all of this because you're exclusively eating that, and acting like if animals are the only life forms on this earth. Like if animals are the only creatures that have feelings and emotions and that feel pain and are spiritual beings. Well, I'm here to tell you, honey, that plants, trees, fruits, and vegetables have feelings and emotions and are alive too and are living. And when you eat one, you are eating something that is alive, okay? You are eating a life form, okay? If you say that eating a chicken is murder, then eating that motherfucking avocado, eating that damn broccoli is murder too. Yes, it is. All life on this earth is equal. I know being a human, living this mundane life that you have been taught that humans are at the top, that humans are number one, that nothing is equal to a human life. Well, let me tell you something. All life, when it comes to a universal level beyond this human shit, all life is equal. The life of an ant, the life of a cockroach, the life of a human, the life of an elephant, the life of a tree, the life of a mushroom. It's all equal. It's all life. Okay? No life is grander or better than the other. And to eat, to sustain your life, you must eat the life of another living creature. That's what it is. Okay? You cannot eat an inanimate object that did not come from life. Point blank, period. So it's all the same. It's all equal. You're no better than a fucking meat eater because you're eating a chicken or because you're eating a beef or a cow or whatever the fuck. Okay? When you eat a damn tomato, you're eating a life form. And then, y'all want to say like, oh, well, a plant doesn't have a central nervous system. A plant doesn't have a brain. A plant can't feel no pain. How the fuck do you know? Who the fuck are you? Humans don't even know what the fuck is in the oceans. Humans don't even know the full capacity of the human mind, of the human body. We don't even have the answers to not we don't even we can't even scratch the surface of the mysteries of what is out here in this planet, let alone the universe. So, and you want to tell me that plants don't have a central nervous system? According to who? To you? Just because you, or just because scientists or whoever the authorities, quote unquote authorities, are on life or the central nervous system or whatever has feelings or any of that doesn't mean shit. Okay? You cannot base a plant life form to a human because they have their central nervous system that we just don't know about. Plants communicate with each other. Plants definitely have central nervous systems. They have roots that dig deep in the ground and they communicate with each other. They send information underground to each other. They even feed each other underground. They're able to heal each other. If there's a sick tree, they're able to communicate underground through the root system and heal that plant. And when you look at the roots of a plant, when you look at the leaves of the plant and the extending, uh, it looks like nerves and capillaries and veins. What the fuck is that? That looks like a fucking nervous system to me. Just because they don't bleed blood like you do and don't have a motherfucking brain like you do does not mean that they don't feel, that they're not aware. You think they want to be killed? Do you think that they want to be eaten? I don't think so. Okay? Trees and plants have experienced horrors at the same level, if not beyond, animal life on this planet. And then y'all want to say, oh, don't eat anything that comes from a mother. Excuse me, but a tree is a mother. And when you eat an avocado, when you eat a mango, when you eat a strawberry, you're actually eating an embryo. You're eating a fetus. Okay? You're eating a fucking baby, basically. You're over here fucking eating fetuses. Oh, but just because it don't bleed like you, it don't have red blood like you, because it can't scream or yell in a form that you can hear, right? That makes it okay. But no, it's on the same motherfucking level. To eat, to sustain in this life, in this third dimensional realm on this planet. Yeah, living creatures eat other living creatures, whether that be a motherfucking plant or an animal. You are no better. Okay? You just have not expanded your mind to a different level where you can understand and comprehend and empathize and visualize what a plant may experience. Because I saw this thing on YouTube, or I think it was on Facebook, where they did an experiment and they had two trees of the same species, two similar trees, and they had these students talk negative, talk quote unquote negative to one tree, and then to the other tree, they were giving it positive feedback and all of this. The tree that was spoken to negatively, the leaves were droopy. It was not, the tree looked depressed. The tree looked sad. The tree had no life to it. Okay, the tree looked like it was dying because of the negative energy that was being fed to it by the students. And yet the other tree that was next to it was blossoming, and the leaves were in full bloom, and they were reaching up, not down. So what does that tell you? That these creatures, these entities, they receive energy. They know, they can feel. They are sentient. They are aware. Okay? Plants, they need water like we do. Okay? They need the sun like we do. We are connected biologically to them as well, just like everything on this planet. They are alive and living, and they don't want to be eaten. Okay? It's just okay to you because you don't comprehend and you're not empathetic enough to relate to these entities and these creatures. And you don't have to. I'm not telling you to become, a tree whisperer. But just know that you're no better, honey. You're not doing anything better than a meat eater when it comes to life, or killing or whatever. You're killing too. So get off your motherfucking high horse thinking that you're doing something to impact the earth positively, because you're not, okay? Because you're also killing, honey. You're also a murderer, just like any other meat eater who's eating chicken and hamburgers, okay? Y'all really need to wake the fuck up. Y'all over here just, just showing off your whole fucking vegan lifestyle. Like if you're so, just on a fucking platform, just on, because I see y'all motherfuckers on Instagram running y'all fucking mouths. Y'all want to fucking boast and brag and post all these different statistics on all of this shit that's happening with the chickens and all of this devastation with the cows and all of this shit. But show the devastation that's happening with the motherfucking trees and the footprint that you're causing on this earth by eating the vegetation. Okay? Think beyond the mundane third dimension. Okay? These plant life creatures are living too. They have feelings too. They are aware too. They know what's going on. And a lot of times these plants, they will attack you. They will attack your insides and fuck you up. Why do you think a lot of these vegans be looking all woe out? Why do you think a lot of them be looking all frail and they need to be taking pills and taking all these type of extra protein vitamins and all of the nutrients that they're lacking? A lot of times these plants are going into your bodies and fucking y'all up and y'all don't fucking know it. So, I mean, that's pretty much all I had to say about it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments section. And yeah, get off your high horse. You're no better than a meat eater, honey. Plant lives matter too. Okay? We all out here eating living forms. We're all out here eating life forms. Okay? Ain't nobody eating motherfucking cardboard. And even cardboard comes from a motherfucking tree. Okay? Anything and everything that we have comes from life. Period. So you ain't no better. So get off of that shit. Y'all need to get off of that shit and leave it alone. Let people eat what the fuck they want to eat. If you want to eat meat, eat all the fucking meat that you want to eat. If you want to eat motherfucking plants, eat the fucking plants that you want to eat. But don't over here act like y'all better. Don't over here act like if y'all saving the motherfucking planet, like if y'all are just, the newfound children of the earth, because you're not, honey. So that's pretty much it. And I will see you guys on the next one.